When I think of drug prices, I think of balloons. When a balloon is deflated, it's very small. It's almost insignificant. But when you blow it full of hot air, that thing expands way exponentially more the actual real size of that balloon when there's no air in it. The same thing is true with many brand name products in the prescription drug marketplace. All these drugs are packed with hot air, and that hot air is the rebates and discounts. Drug makers will often point the finger at the PBM and say, it's their fault our prices are so high. That's sometimes true. And actually, in competitive classes of medication like insulin, it is definitely true. For drugs that are more niche, don't have a lot of competition, it is not true, okay? But for the medications where there's competition, what do we know about competition? Competition should be driving the prices of products down. Look at the generic marketplace, where you have a high degree of competition. Different manufacturers making the same product drives the acquisition cost for pharmacies to buy those medications down. You could take a drug that used to be $300 a pill and within 2 years drive it down to less than $1. That's what competition does in the generic marketplace. The exact opposite happens in the brand sector. Drug makers compete with one another by raising their prices and then increasing the discounts paid to the PBM. And it's not just PBM, it's governments too. State Medicaid programs are required to get the biggest discounts in the marketplace. So they have a role in this too. But the key here is that when competition occurs in the brand drug sector, it does not lower the price of medications, at least the list price medications. It actually ends up inflating it. So the question then becomes, if you're a consumer and you're paying a huge price tag for a brand medication, the question isn't just, hey, why did the drug maker charge me so much? The question in addition is, why am I not getting the discounts that my insurance company and PBM are getting from the drug company? Because anytime that somebody is paying the full list price for medication, if there are discounts that have been negotiated on their behalf, then that patient is entitled to them. But that's unfortunately not how the system works today.